How to scan QR code screenshot or picture on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you are looking for a way to scan a screenshot or a picture of your QR code to your iPhone that someone has sent you, then you can simply open Photos on your device and then navigate to the picture of the QR code. Once you have opened the QR code, simply tap hold on the QR code and you will see the option for Join Network. So tap on the Join Network option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on Join again and wait for the connection to be joined. And with this, you will be joined to that particular network. So this was about how you can scan QR code screenshot or picture on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.